Good morning to all. This is Kishore Kumar from KishoreTechVision. Today I will show the how to check NREGA employment generation report block wise, district wise, GP wise for financial year wise. Before start the video, please subscribe my channel and give support to me for making more useful videos to all. Let's begin the topic. As usual, open the narega.nac.in website homepage like this. Just click on reports tab. Here see the captcha code. Please enter correct captcha. Then here showing the financial year and state. Select your state. Display the mini reports on NREGA scheme. Now we are checking the employment generation report financial year wise. Open the R5 physical progress report and click on the first report number progress report. Employment generation and progress report. Now R 5.1.1 employment generated during the year 2021-22 report will be displayed like this. I will explain briefly about the columns. Here display the districts. Click on your district, then click on your block, then see your panchayat. Next second column is panchayat. Next third and fourth columns showing the number of registered households and persons. Fifth and sixth columns showing the number of job cards deleted in current year. Seventh and eighth columns showing the number of job cards included in current year. Next ninth, 10th, 11th and 12th columns showing the cumulative number of households issued job cards category wise. And employment demanded households and persons in 13th and 14th columns. Employment offered means work allocation, household and persons. Finally, number of households employment provided 7th column, number of persons employment provided 18th column, and finally an important total persons employment provided column in 19th column. This is the main report means. Now all are you understand the how to see the employment generated percentage report financial year wise. I hope this report useful to all. Okay, this is Kishore Kumar signing out. Jai Hind.